Good morning, guys. We are going into drawing our plan in architectural way. You know, I explained to you earlier on my other video that this is a shop. So I want to teach you guys how to draw it with scale. With scale, dimensioning it, centering your drawing on your paper. So a shop is 3 meter by 3 meter. But first, you can't just start drawing anyhow. You have to get your center point. This is 40 meters. The half will be what? 7 meter. So we start your construction line. Do it. This is what? 9.6. So half will be 4.850. Construction line. So this is your center. Now, I told you guys that the shop is 3 meter by 3 meter. So bring out your scale. We are using scale 1 in 50. 1.5 from this center. 1.5 from this center. Another 1.5 from this center. Another 1.5 from this center. So you draw out the line, construction line. Do not tick. Do not tick. Construction line. This is the internal line. You have not added the wall. Wall is 225. 225. 225. 225. So that's for 9 inches wall. We add 225. 225. 225. 225. So we draw out the lines. Construction line. Do not forget construction line. Don't tick. So a shop has a door and also a high level window. Door size of a shop is 1.2. That's 4 feet door, double door. So this where the door is. You bring your scale here. You measure 600 to the right, 600 to the left. A shop has an high level window. You bring your scale to the middle here. This is where the window is. 300 to the right, 300 to the left. You now draw. So this is when you bring out your eraser. Your eraser. You clean. The way I'm cleaning. Yeah, these walls, these lines are no more useful. You clean them out. You get yourself a duster and you dust it out. So this is the shop plan. So I've told you guys the symbol of a high level window. So you draw a window there. You divide it into 4 places. That is 75, 75, 75. That's the window symbol in the plan. Door also has its own symbol in the plan. I've told you guys on my other videos. You can now see the reason why I started from basic, because these are the things you need. So this is the door symbol. So you come in, your door swing. It means that the door is open this way. They open it like this and close it back. All those shop windows, shop doors, this is how it is on plan. Don't forget, you are looking from top to down. This is what I mean. What you are seeing here, the 3D, this is it here. If you are looking at the top to down, you're moving 1.5 meter height away. So now dimensioning the plan. Dimensioning the plan. So there's something we call cross section and longitudinal section. This is cross section. This is longitudinal section. You can face any side. You can face this side. You can face this side. It depends on any way you want to face. So I will still explain this to you guys very well. What I mean by cross section and longitudinal section. But just try and follow the way I'm drawing. So now name it section B, section A, section A. You can see I'm facing this side. This one is what? Facing this side. It's what they call cross section. Cross section. This is me facing this side. I'm now moving like this. I enter this wall. I'm seeing this window. I enter the next wall. This is me also facing this side, coming like this. I enter the window. I'm looking at this wall. I enter the door. I'm looking outside. So we call something rendering, wall rendering, which is just 50 mm. Wall rendering is plastering. You know, after building, you do plaster. I'm doing this because I need to explain to you that when the building is finished, the wall size increase, because normally the block we have is 9 inches and 6 inches, but after plastering it will increase, because plaster is also like 2 inches, 3 inches thickness, depends on the gauge. But on the drawing here, let's just do 50 mm. That's 2 inches. Because we are using scale 1 and 50. Scale 1 and 50 show details. Every details you can see, you need to show it on scale 150. If you are using scale 100, you can't show plastering. You can't show plastering because it will be too tiny to see. So we are done with our plan. Your lettering, shop. So underline here. Use your lettering. This is what they call ground floor plan. So after this, you now take out your wall. You take out your wall. You can see I didn't tick since morning. So after you are done with everything you are doing, you now take out your, because if you tick when you are not done, as you are moving the T square, S square, your work will get stained. Please, if you are watching my videos, don't forward, because everything I'm saying here or explaining to you from the beginning is what you will still meet along the line. So don't forward it, watch it and listen to everything carefully and follow all the instructions so you won't get lost along the line. Learning requires patience. So this is our shop. So write your dimension. Our wall is 225. From here to here is 3 meters. The wall is 225. Also 225. 3 meters. 225. So this is the finishing of the ground floor plan, a shop. I don't think you should have any difficulty in drawing this, because in the beginning, if you keep practicing the way I explain my videos to you guys from the beginning, you won't have any issue with you drawing this out. And you can't just draw it once and said you have known it. You draw it repeatedly. You can draw this plan 5 times, 4 times in a day for you to get the accurate drawing and let your hand be straight. So this is a door. Sorry, I forgot to include the step up. Step is 225 thread. It's just a step up. To the shop. This is a high level window. This is a longitudinal section, and this is a cross section. So this is the end of our video today. Kindly like and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys on the next video, which is our roof plan. Our roof plan. Thank you guys.